Hello students, today I am going to do the remaining questions of chapter 6, factor theorem and remainder theorem. Here question number 23 first, x minus 2 and x plus 3 both are the factors of the expression x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 12. It's clear. These are the factors of this expression. You have to find the value of a and b. So first we will assume that it is equal to fx. Now see here, since x minus 2 is the factor of fx, therefore f of 2 will be 0. As we know that x minus 2 will be the factor of fx only when f of 2 will be equal to 0. So from factor theorem, we will write as x minus 2 is factor of fx. Therefore, f of 2 will be 0. F of 2 will be 0 means here you will put in place of x, what will you put? 2. So you find out f of 2 equals to 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 12. When you will simplify it is 8 plus 4a plus 2b minus 12. When it will be further simplified, it will come out 4a plus 2b minus 4. Now this is equals to 0. So you will get one equation in a and b from here. You can further simplify it. You can see here all the terms are divisible by 2. So it will be 2a plus b equals to 2. So this is the first equation. Then similarly, as x plus 3 is factor of fx. So what will be? Therefore f of minus 3 equals to 0. Now we will not write this much thing, because already we have written. So f of minus 3 equals to 0. So you find out f of minus 3. It will be equal to minus 3 whole cube plus a into minus 3 whole square plus b into minus 3 minus 12. When it will be simplified, minus 27 plus 9a minus 3b minus 12. It's clear. You can once again simplify here. You can see here, it will be visible to you. When we will simplify, it will come out f of minus 3 equals to 9a minus 3b. Minus 27 minus 12 minus 39. Since f of minus 3 already you have stated equals to 0, therefore 9a minus 3b minus 39 equals to 0. Now this thing is 0, it means what? 9a minus 3b equals to 39. Now you can see here all the steps are divisible by 3. All are divisible by 3, so it will become what? 3a minus b equals to 30. So this is the second equation. When you will solve these equation 1 and equation 2, what is equation 1? 2a plus b equals to 2. This is the equation 1. When we will solve equation 1 and equation 2, we will get the value of a and b. So that I am not solving further. It is very simple. You can see from here, when you will add, you will get 5a equals to 15. So a equals to 3. And when you will substitute a equals to 3 here, what will be? 2 into 3 plus b equals to 2. So b equals to 2 minus 6, that is equals to minus 4. So in this way you can determine the values. It is clear? Now see the one more question here. You can see here this question has been asked in 2001 and then the similar question has been asked in 2018. It's clear. its second part. X plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors of this. Find the values of A and B. So that you can do. Here these questions are very simple. Now I am doing another question here. Here question number 24. If x plus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of this, find the value of A and B, and then you have to factorize the given expression. It's clear? And so you can see here question number 24. This is also same as that x, it is given in the question that x plus 2 and x minus 3 is the factor of x cube plus ax plus b. This you can take equals to fx. It's clear? With these values of A and B, you have to factorize. You have to factorize this expression after determining the values of A and B. So as x plus 2 is factor of fx, therefore f of minus 2 will be 0. F of minus 2 will be 0. So you substitute here minus 2 whole cube plus A into minus 2 plus B equals to 0. So that is minus 8 minus 2A plus B equals to 0. So minus 2A plus B equals to 8. So this will be the one equation. Similarly, x minus 3 as x minus 3 is factor of fx. So f of 3 will be 0, because now when you will substitute x minus 3 equals to 0, x comes out equals to 3. So f of 3 will be 0. From factor theorem it will be 0. So what will be 3 cube plus A into 3 plus B equals to 0. So 3A plus B, when you will simplify, it will be minus 27. This is the equation 2. Then you have to solve these two equations. When you will solve these equations, you will get the value of B. So I am solving here. So minus 2A plus B equals to 8. You subtract it. On subtracting, what will happen? Sign will be changed. So B minus B cancel. This is 5A equals to minus 35. So what is A? A equals to minus 7. A equals to minus 7. Now you find out B also. So from equation 1, minus 2A plus B equals to 8. So minus 2 into minus 7 plus B equals to 8. So 14 plus B equals to 8. So what will be B? 8 minus 14. So B equals to minus 6. It's clear? So in this way you have determined values of A and B. So what will be the fx? Fx equals to x cube minus 7x. It's clear? A is minus 7 minus 6. Now you have to factorize it further. It's clear? It is given in the question that factorize the given expression. With these values of A and B, you have to factorize the given expression. So here you already know, you can see here that two factors of this are given. There will be how many factors? 3. Why? Because the degree is 3. These two factors are given. One is x plus 2 is given and other is x minus 3. It is clear? So you can take any one. So I am taking x plus 2. It's clear? Now today I will tell a different way of factorizing if one factor is known. Yesterday I have told that first you divide the polynomial from one factor. So you will get the product of remaining two factors. And then that product of remaining two factors you will factorize by splitting the middle term. Means what I have told yesterday, that if one factor is given, then you divide the polynomial by that factor. So you will get the product of remaining two factors, and then you factorize that product by splitting the middle term, and then you will write complete factorization. But today I am telling you some different way. It's clear, a different method. That is little tricky, but that is also not very much difficult. You can see here you have to factorize, so you take any one factor. I have taken x plus 2. It's clear. So you can write x cube minus 7x minus 6. First and last term in this method, first and last term will be as it is. Remaining middle terms will be rearranged. It's clear. First and last term will be as it is. X cube. Now how much you remove from x cube so that only x is left. So that only x is left. इससे कितना रिमूव करने की केवल x बचे. So it is x square. So you multiply that x square with 2. So what will you get? Plus 2x square. It's clear? But here there is no term of 2x square. So you have to write minus 2x square. Otherwise value will be changed. It's clear? Now once again, from this minus 2x square, you remove how much so that only x is left. Minus 2x square से कितना remove करने की केवल x बचे. So it is minus 2x. If you remove minus 2x from here, only x will be left. So you multiply minus 2x with the 2. So that will become minus 4x. It's clear? But here there is minus 7x. So how much more is needed? So only minus 3x is needed. It's clear? Last term is, now you have reached at the last term, so minus 6. So you can see here I have rearranged the term, but the values have not changed. Value of the polynomial has not changed. It is same, only the terms have been rearranged. Now from first two terms, what will you take out common? X square. So what will you get? X plus 2. From these two terms, you will take minus 2x common. What will you get? X plus 2. And then from here, you take minus 3 common, x plus 2. So x plus 2 is common from whole. When it is common from whole, so this is this. It's clear? Now we will factorize this by splitting the middle term. X plus 2. How will you split x square minus 3x plus 1x minus 3? So x plus 2. What is common from here? X is common. So x minus 3. 1 is common. So x minus 3. X minus 3 is common from whole. When you will take out common from whole, what will you get? X plus 1. It's clear? So what is the factorization? So factorization will be equal to what will be the factors? X plus 2, x minus 3, x plus 1. This will be the factor. It's clear? So this way you can factorize. Question number 25. It is also same as these. Here only one thing is different, that 1x minus 2 is given the factor and x minus 3 leaves the remainder 3. You have to find values of a and b, so that you can do. I don't think it is very difficult. Question number 26 is also same as this. So one question I am telling here. Question number 26. You can see the question number 26. If x minus 2 is the factor of this expression is 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 14. This you can take equals to fx. We have assumed that it is equal to fx. In the question it is given x minus 2 is its factor. It is clear? And when the expression is divided by x minus 3, it leaves what remainder? Remainder equals to 52. You have to find the value of a and b. So for this we will apply factor theorem. For this thing, for this statement we will apply the remainder theorem. So see here, from factor theorem you can see here f of 2 will be 0. And why? As x minus 2 is factor of fx. X minus 2 is factor of fx. So f of 2 will be 0. F of 2 is 0, so 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 14 equals to 0. So you simplify 8 to just 16 plus 4a plus 2b minus 14 equals to 0. So it is 4a plus 2b plus 2 equals to 0. So 4a plus 2b equals to minus 2. On simplifying further, 2a plus b equals to minus 1. This is the equation 1. It is clear? Then from remainder theorem. You can see here, when it is divided by x minus 3, it leaves remainder 52. Means f of 3 equals to 52. F of 3 equals to 52. So you can write here 2 into, in place of x you will write 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus b into 3 minus 14 equals to 52. So 27 to ja 54 plus 9a plus 3b minus 14 equals to 52. So you can write here 9a plus 3b. 54 minus 14 equals to plus 40 equals to 52. So 9a plus 3b equals to 52 minus 40. So 9a plus 3b equals to 12. Now I am dividing by 3. So what will you get? Other equation will be 3a plus b equals to 4. Now you solve equation 2 and equation 1 is this. Solve this, you will get the values of a and b. So this I will not solve further. It's clear? So 27, 28 you leave. There is no need to do question number 28. Here I am seeing this. Yes, that you can leave. It's clear? No need. Such type of questions will not come in the examination, but you do the 27. It's clear? 21 already hint is given here. Some questions I have told here in this side. Now those questions which have been asked in the board examination, you do more and more practice of those, because the similar type questions will come and the same type questions have been are given here. So here question number 8 also same thing. When divided by x minus 3, the polynomial this and this leaves the same remainder. So here this polynomial you can take fx. So this I am doing here. Question number 8 you can see, because that day I have done only one question perhaps. On very first day I have done only one question. Exactly I don't remember, but perhaps. So question number 8 first. When divided by x minus 3, the polynomials x cube, one polynomial is this, minus px square plus x plus 6. This you can take fx. It's clear. and 2x cubed, other polynomial is 2x cubed minus x square minus p plus 3 into x minus 6. This is gx. Leave the same remainder, find the value of b. When these two polynomials are divided by x minus 3, in both cases remainder comes out same. Remainder is same. They are divided by which? X minus 3. So see here from remainder theorem. When fx is divided by x minus 3. When fx is divided by x minus 3, what will be remainder? F of 3. So you find out remainder here. This will be 3 cube minus p into 3 square plus 3 plus 6 equals to 27 minus 9p plus 9. So this will be equals to 36 minus 9p. It's clear. Similarly, when fx is divided by gx, here other polynomial gx, it divided by x minus 3, then remainder. What will be remainder? It will be g of 3. It will be g of 3. It's clear. Now you find out g of 3. So it will be equals to 2 into 3 cube minus 3 square minus p plus 3 into 3 minus 6. So it will be equals to 27 to 54 minus 9 minus 3p minus 3 minus 6. When you will simplify further, so 9, 3, 12, 12, 6, 18. 18, so it will be perhaps 36. 36 minus 3p. It is clear? But according to question it is given, whether it is correct, 27 to 54, it is 9 minus, yes, this is not correct here. This is 3, 3 9. So you can see here 9, 9, 18. So 36, so it will be 30. It's clear? It will be 30. Now according to question, both the remainders are same. Therefore 36 minus 9p equals to 30 minus 3p. So you bring in this side, minus 9p plus 3p equals to 30 minus 36. That is minus 6p equals to minus 6. So p equals to 1. It's clear. So now you do the remaining questions of this. It's clear. And leaving question number 28, you do all the questions. And from the examples also you can do. It's clear. So this way this chapter is finished. Now next chapter is ratio and proportion. It's clear. So that I will do in the next lecture. So, thank you.